सो हे वेल्ल्याचें पुराण हें हाजे फुडें चालूच दवरता. आनी सगळ्यांत म्हत्वाची गजाल म्हणटा ती वेल्ल्यो सिलेक्ट करता आसतना त्यो हातान अश्यो पळोवच्यो पडटा आनी त्यो वासय घेवचो पडटा तांचो. आनी तो वास दर्याचो कसो येवपाक जाय, खाऱ्या उदकाचो कसो येवपाक जाय, इट शूड स्मेल. हाऊ टू सिलेक्ट द बेस्ट ऑफ द वेल्ल्यो फिश इज, first is you can see the color and the crispness and the intact. There shouldn't be any fin disease here or discoloration. If this is pink, बोर्ड उगताचे जर पिंक कलरचे गुलाबी रंगाचे असले जाल्यार वेल्ल्यो घेवपाच्यो ना. त्यो बऱ्यो नासता खावपाक आनी त्यो पौशल्यो कश्यो दिसतात, त्यो वाट लागिल्ली आसता तांची. हांगा मातशें गुलाबी गुलाबी कशें जाल्लें आसा तांचें तोंडां तें. सो खऱ्यो ज्यो वेल्ल्यो असतात त्यो बऱ्यो चकचकीत असतात, सारक्यो अश्यो चांदीच्या रंगाच्यो असतात अश्यो सारक्यो. आनीक त्यो अश्यो सारक्यो तुमकां भागवतात अश्यो. म्हणटकीच दीस इज द वे टू सिलेक्ट द फ्रेश वेल्ल्यो or white sardine fish. That first criteria is color, silvery white, shining, metallic. Then second, there shouldn't be any pink spots or pink discoloration. Third one is smell, which should be of sea salt. Fourth is the texture. It should be rough and strong, and the fish should bend like this. It should not break into two or become very soft like it. It is very tough here. I can see each fish. We have selected this very carefully. Of course, the lot which came in for sale was very good, as my wife found out, and that's why she was tempted to purchase a big lot. These are now available. This is today is Sunday, 26th March 2023 in Mapsa. We get this door to door, sold door to door. In the next video, we'll see some more interesting aspects of Vellyos or white sardines.